Hi, my name is Jackie and I am your Live Ultimate brand ambassador. I'm so excited you have found this company, and I just want to share a little bit about me and my journey with Live Ultimate. So I'm a registered dietitian by training, and I'm currently a certified health and wellness coach, and I practice something called lifestyle medicine. I've always known that the foods that we eat, the exercise that we're doing or not doing can play a significant role in our overall health. And the most important thing that we can do is eat a variety of different plant foods. That's the best thing that we can do for our health. But there are times when supplements are 100% needed, right? And one of the things, I am completely obsessed with mushrooms because they're adaptogens, which means it's kind of like, think about like cruise control. If you're in a car and your car's on cruise and you're going up a hill, the car is going to accelerate to maintain that level of speed, right? And then when it's going downhill, it's going to slow down. And that's exactly what adaptogens do in our bodies. Adaptogens are only found in certain plants, and they help the plant to thrive in extreme conditions. Not all plants are adaptogens, but mushrooms are. So the way I found Live Ultimate was actually through their Ultimate Shrooms. And I've learned so much about mushrooms from being with Live Ultimate. They are super high in beta glucans because they're grown naturally on wood logs. They don't have a lot of the mycelium. They're made from the fruiting bodies, which is really, really important. And most mushrooms are not made that way. So what initially brought me to Live Ultimate was the Ultimate Shrooms. But then what kept me here at Live Ultimate is the incredible company that they are. They have very similar core beliefs as what I do as my personal brand, as my wellness brand. And that is to be very mindful about what we put in and on our bodies. So not only do I take the Ultimate Shrooms every morning, I have it in my coffee every morning, I also take the Ultimate Elixir, 2 scoops of the Ultimate Elixir every morning in water. So literally, I wake up every morning, put 2 scoops in water for both myself and my husband, bring it to him in the morning, and then later on when I have my coffee, I'll put a scoop of the shrooms in there as well. So I am obsessed with Live Ultimate. I'm super grateful for the company. One of the things that they do also that I love is their commitment to sustainability. Notice that their packaging is in amber glass. It's not plastic. They're doing away with the scooper, so you can use a tablespoon when you use the scoops or when you serve yourself the elixir and the shrooms. So they're very, very mindful about the environment and your health, my health, your health, and then also financially. So if you're watching this, if you're just starting to take the products, and also the skincare is amazing. The eye cream, I use a lot of their products actually. One of the things that we recommend with the products, with the Ultimate Elixir and the Ultimate Shrooms, are #never miss a day. So if you have recently purchased the Elixir, the Shrooms, the Ultimate Bundle, both of them, make sure you do commit to taking these every day for 30 days and notice the difference in how you feel. Now, think about it too. If you start eating broccoli and you eat that every day, like, you're not going to notice that you're like all of a sudden like crazy, amazing, healthy. Although sometimes you might like notice your bowel movements, or like we say at Plant Chicks, fibrous layer, as that becomes more formed, more fabulous, and you might be doing a little bit more. Like, you're going to notice some health benefits. You're going to notice that maybe you've got a little bit more energy, your brain fog is gone, or maybe you go and have your annual physical and you notice because you're taking the shrooms, maybe you notice that your cholesterol is coming down a little bit. Little things like this can happen, but I do recommend that you commit to never missing a day, commit to drinking 2 scoops of the elixir every morning and having a scoop of shrooms in your smoothie, in your coffee, in whatever. You can even bake with the shrooms. It's kind of fun. Like, I'll put them in my black bean brownie, and they're so super delicious. Head to our Plant Chicks blog to find that recipe. Super, super good. It'll also be linked below. So anyway, commit to never missing a day. If you have any questions, my contact information, obviously I'm sending you this over email, or you have found this on YouTube. So reach out to me if you've got any questions. And if you have a personal wellness brand, or if you're wanting to start a wellness business, reach out to me, because there is a way you can also become a brand ambassador. I would love to bring you in and share this amazing company and these amazing products with your friends and family. Help you share these with your friends and family. And don't forget too, if you sign up as a preferred customer on AutoShip, where you're getting the Ultimate Shrooms and the Elixir, or whatever products that you want to take, if you get those on Smart Delivery, then you start earning points and you start saving money. And my friend, if you love these products as much as I think you will, as much as I do, if you share these products with 3 of your friends, you can also get the products for free. So let me know. There's so many possibilities, and you are going to love these products. You are going to love the company, and I look forward to meeting you. And if you want to grow this into a business, feel free to reach out to me. So I look forward to getting to know you, and welcome to the Live Ultimate family. I can't wait to see how much you're enjoying your Ultimate Shrooms, your Ultimate Elixir, and your Ultimate Skincare. Make sure you check in with me at Fabulous Jackie and at Plant Chicks. And if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And Marcy and I, we always post different recipes here on YouTube. We also post different business tips on YouTube, and fitness. We're all about working out too. So like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.